What's up, everybody? And welcome to my channel. You dig? What is up, everybody? So, welcome to my first vlog. As y'all can see, it's raining right now, which messed up my whole fit because the kid had to put some sweats on. You dig? And I don't like wearing sweats. No, I'm just kidding. That's basically all I wear is sweats. It is raining hard right now. Dang. But yeah. Welcome back to my channel. It's the first vlog of this channel. And we about to turn up, you dig? But let me get out this rain for the one time, alright? So yeah. And we're back. Yeah, so it's mad raining. It was hot as I don't know what yesterday. But Arizona, no, it's no lighting in the car. Arizona is weird with its weather. I don't know why. Look at this man, Mike. Mike all bundled up. Mike was in a tank top yesterday. So, yeah. When Mike wore tank tops, it's a good day. So, I forgot where I parked. Did I? I did forget what I parked. Hold up. But right now we are walking to the car. We got to go. Oh no, I parked over there. Okay. Right now we are walking to the car and we are going to work, basically. I guess you could say something like that. But yeah, as you can see. But y'all see LaDasha right there. Oh yeah, that's my car's name. It's LaDasha. You did. She looking dirty as ever. No, you're not rocking with it. It's for sale, no. But nah, this is my car, and ow, yeah. She sound mean. She always sound mean every time I start her up. But yeah. Y'all along for the ride, and yeah, we're about to get to it. Let's go. What's up, guys? As y'all can see, why you laughing, Kaya?
Stop.
Why you laughing? But nah, y'all probably like, yo, Kyle, you changed clothes. It's a different day. Like, what's going on? Hold on, Trey. Hold on. I gotta tell the people what they want. You did? But yesterday we didn't really do much. After work, I came home and crashed. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. I came home and went to sleep. So that's why it's a different day. I got different clothes on and stuff like that. You know, I'm at a different place. Right now, I am with my god siblings.
Gaming, give me that.
That's Trey and that's Kaya.
Gaming, give me that.
You want it? Yeah. All right, y'all. So we just arrived at the Super Show After Hop. I said it right? All right, solid. So we about to see a whole bunch of lowriders. And it's about to be lit. So y'all stay tuned. All right, here we go.
and rhyming and things. I'm out late cause I'm grinding for change. I ain't with dime for dames. Cock back and I'm trying to aim at everything that be hating my fame. Since regulating, been lacing the game. Ain't no mistake in the game. She one mother effing frizzle, sipping on the sizzle. And that's for shizzle, 4 times for the riddles. You know these bars, everywhere we go. You know who was on. You could tell by the car. Champagne, caviar, bubble back. I say I love you, and I laugh. In my car, and I'm listening to the radio. I'm listening to a sad girl sing about how she got her heart broke. People reaching for stars. I just want me something natural. When you're alone, it gets mighty cold. Don't act as if you did not know. She let me play with her heart. I'm working late, I said I'll soon be home. All the while the girl was home alone. Let me tell you what she crying
so
for.
we out here at the Lowrider Fest, and this joint is going crazy. Like, it's a whole lot of, yes it can, I got my AirPods in. Look at you, stop playing. But nah, we out here, this joint is going crazy. It's a whole lot of nice cars out here.
I'm a cowboy on the steel horse I ride. I'm on it. I'm on it. Dead or alive.
Alright guys, so as I'm editing this video, I realized I don't have an outro. So yeah, that's a bummer. But now, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share it, even if you didn't like the video. Just subscribe, idiot, because I bring fire content. No, I'm just kidding. I'm hyping myself up, but nah. Yeah, so just like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Hey.